Section 4. Draft BSL National Plan for Stirling Council. 4.1. Across all services. We share the long-term goal for all Scottish public services set out in the BSL National Plan, which is: across the Scottish public sector, information and services will be accessible to BSL users. Our actions. Our actions in this section mirror those of the National Plan, NP, as indicated by the number alongside, NP2. According to the 2011 census figures, there are 355 BSL users in the Stirling Council area. Internal data indicates that there are currently no children or young people in Stirling schools who use BSL. The following actions will help us analyse existing evidence we have about BSL users in our organisation, and identify and fill key information gaps so that we can establish baselines and measure our progress in meeting the needs of BSL users. NP2. By 2024, we will: A1. Follow introduction of the CoDo system for recording customer information. People using council services will be asked if they are BSL users. With their permission, this information will be stored and shared across all our relevant information systems. A2. We will record where individuals are BSL users on information confirming their need for additional communication support to access advice services for advice, advocacy and representation. A3. We will introduce a system for recording council house tenants who use BSL on our Northgate system. A4. We will record where individuals are BSL users on information confirming their need for additional communication support to access the Revenue and Benefits Service or apply for support administered by this service. A5. We will ensure our schools, learning and education service record BSL users on CMIS. A6. We will ensure people using our social care services who use BSL are recorded on our SWIFT system. A7. We will ensure our Employee Records Information Network, ERIN, records information on any employees who use BSL. A8. We will work with public sector organisations in the Forth Valley area to share good practice on improving evidence about BSL users in the area. The following actions will help us improve access to our information and services for BSL users, including making our website more accessible to BSL users. NP3, 4. A9. We will ask BSL users to help identify any improvements needed to our website to make it more accessible for the BSL community. A10. We will apply lessons learned on improving our website to other forms of digital communication and engagement used by our services. The following actions will help us promote the use of the Scottish Government's nationally funded BSL online interpreting video relay services, Contact Scotland BSL, to staff and to local BSL users. This is a free service which allows BSL users to contact public sector services and for these services to contact them. NP5. A11. We will promote the use of Contact Scotland BSL as a key method for BSL users to contact the Council and its arm's length organisations, including Active Stirling. The following actions will allow us to signpost staff who work with BSL users to appropriate the BSL awareness training. NP6. A12. We will introduce a programme of awareness and learning opportunities for staff and elected members, including raising awareness of BSL, deaf awareness and special BSL training for agreed staff groups. A13. We will work with public sector organisations in the Forth Valley area to share good practice on appropriate BSL awareness training.